First thing in the morning, he picks up his phone. At break time and lunchtime, he finds a quiet place alone. He knows his behavior is out of control, but he finds it difficult to stop. His performance in school and work has dropped. He used to be the man at the top. He's a sex addict, but nobody knows. You can't see it on his face. You can't see it on his clothes. He's the guy that you least expect. He looks strong. He acts strong. He attracts respect, but he doesn't respect himself. He has a very low self-esteem. He puts up a good public image, but he's ashamed of what he does behind the screen. He needs your help. He wants your help, but he doesn't know how to start. I wish someone would ask me about it, he said. I'm willing to open up my heart. I'm passionate about this area of sexuality. Some people might be asking why. Because I see myself in every single guy. I know how it feels to live a secret life that nobody knows. Then come out publicly, this guy wearing sharp clothes. I couldn't keep up the act. Living a double life is tough. Before I entered deeper into darkness, I decided enough is enough. And you can decide too. God understands what you're going through. It doesn't matter how difficult it seems. He says, my grace is enough for you. Don't stay in that shell. Come out and find someone to tell. Your freedom from addiction is not as far as it seems. Please, you don't need to stay in that hell. Hey guys, let's normalize healthy sex talk. Addiction is literally torturing our generation. Let's not make people feel awkward. Let's be willing to have the conversation. See you tonight. Let's talk. It's a long journey and we're in this together, so we're not running. Let's walk. God bless you, brothers. Bye-bye.